Alright, now I didn't have video.
Are there any sheep?
Give me some carrots, I can throw it at that other one.
Don't throw it at him.
Use the nail. Here, break it in
Still
pieces
trying to
so
eat
you
it.
have separate. He's still trying to get that down.
Yeah.
It's funny, he's like choking on it. It's the wrong angle.
He needs a glass of milk.
Oh, I think it's stuck to him. Are you getting this?
Yeah.
This is hilarious.
There he goes. Jeez, dude. Chill. I guess I better give him smaller pieces.
Oh, they're kind of dumb.
They don't know it's on the floor because you're supposed to feed it to them.
Well, he'll eat bread too, won't you?
Yeah. You're cute. Wicked cheese.
The middle one.
Come here, Emu. You scared me.
You need to give him little pieces so he doesn't choke.
Yeah, or longer pieces.
He's just so nasty looking, isn't he?
He looks like Ellen.
Wow, it is pouring.
Oh, he's like,
Look at this guy over here. This one over here.
Here, Ellen. Give him a piece of this.
Well, I'm taking a.
Here.
I
You can do both. You're not that limited.
Oh, he just left actually. He's like, screw him. I'll eat it.
Oh no, Emu almost got me.
I'm afraid because I know they can really reach from there. Oh, there's
He
another.
spit at him.
They can't reach very far from up there. Yes, they can.
Ah, they're freaky.
No, not me. No.
Ah, they are just freaky. How must be freaky?
Oh.
It must be Ellen. Look at.
I'm going to toss it up near. Watch. I bet he gets it.
Nope. You know they're stupid. Where's the sheep? They're in the barn. The goat's like, fuck that.
You're doing good. You're out in the rain.
Ellen, I'm getting wet. Sorry, girl. I'm trying to do something.